In this tutorial, I will show you how to share photos from your iPhone to your friend's iPhone quickly without internet using a feature called AirDrop. AirDrop is beneficial over sending photos over text because it doesn't use up your data or require Wi-Fi, and it transfers photos quickly and efficiently. To fully use the AirDrop feature, Step 1. Ensure that your iPhone and your friend's iPhone all have the latest iOS version installed, preferably iOS 12 or higher. iOS 7 to iOS 11 may or may not work. If not, you have to update your iOS system to the latest version. Step 2. Ensure you have AirDrop set to everyone. Step 3. Ensure you have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi turned on, but your Wi-Fi does not need to be connected to a network. To demonstrate that AirDrop doesn't require data or Wi-Fi connection, I'm going to turn off my data and leave the Wi-Fi disconnected from any network. Make sure your friend's iPhone has his or her screen unlocked. Now go to Photos and select the photos you want to share. Tap the share icon and the list of your friend's iPhones will show up on the AirDrop list. Tap the person you want to share with and the photos will be sent. An AirDrop message will show up on your friend's iPhone. Your friend needs to tap Accept and the photos will be transferred over quickly. Done! And this is how you share photos with your friends without internet. If you found this video helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.